Spell your name, please.
Okay.
Can you say how to spell your name? For me? For Mother's Day?
No.
J,
No.
please.
Oh, you have to spell it.
But I want you to spell it.
I don't know what glue stick is. She's
I
got glue
just
sticks
painting.
to do.
Can you spell your name, please?
J A D E. Mommy.
Jade. What comes next?
M
L.
L
Uh-huh.
L Y N.
Good job. High five. Well, that's not. I love you.